A really big reason that made me come to Bob Jones was the strong liberal arts core. My undergrad degree was in the humanities, and having the Christian liberal arts emphasis was a big draw. The biggest impact Bob Jones has had on my life is the intellectual growth that I've seen as I've been here. I specifically targeted developing thinking, speaking, and writing skills, and developing those facets impacted my understanding of Scripture and even my spiritual walk. Having so many people who think different things about Christianity, about the Bible, and they're all in one place. It really taught me to grow in patience and be friends with people who thought differently than I did. Your support of the university would allow other students to come here just like I have, to experience the faculty and the atmosphere of this place that could significantly impact their lives for the kingdom.